dimensions, get ready to press pause. Don't worry if your cut lines aren't perfect or if you've had some tear out on the edges. The angle grinder is going to take care of that later on. Alright, let's get back to work. This is the backrest for the chair, and as you've just seen in the video, I used a paint can to get these wing shapes here. But at this stage, as long as these dimensions here are the same, you can do whatever you want here. So there could be dragon wings or angel wings, for example, or ladybird wings. Just use your imagination and have fun with design. So, you know, go for it. Okay, I'm going to add some colour. Decorate it as you see fit, but whatever you use to decorate it, make sure it's compatible with a clear top coat you intend to use later on. Okay, we don't want any kind of bad reactions on your work. Alright, let's go.